Are your brake lights busted or perhaps a little too dim for you to feel safe on the road? Then you need to upgrade your RV and your road safety with the 10-inch surface mount RV brake light from RecPro. That is RP-1794, which will help keep you safe and visible when on the road. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm here to show you how this little brake light can keep you both safe and legal while on the road. The dimensions for this brake light are up on the screen if you'd like to pause the video and take a quick look. This is a surface mount bright LED red brake light using 22 gauge wiring, and even features these pre-attached connector pins, so it's very easy to install. The light is made with a high impact polycarbonate red lens, which makes it extremely durable and long lasting, while also safeguarding reliable performance. This light uses 24 individual LED light nodes for super bright and super efficient illumination, even in very bad weather conditions like rain and snow and fog. It also accommodates mounting angles ranging from 15 degrees to 25 degrees, and also includes installation hardware, so you can get this light up and running on your rig in no time. With this efficient brake light, you can stay both safer and legal while on the road, and you don't have to spend a lot of time installing it. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, stay safe and legal with RecPro.